So here we are outside number 48 Hengist Street in Tonge Fold. Nice quiet residential area, as we can see. Property I've got for you today does need some modernisation inside. It's a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property, and I think somebody would look to renovate kitchen, bathroom, and of course the decor. But let's go in and have a look and see what we have on offer. So we enter into the property via a small vestibule to a good sized lounge with a double glazed window there to the front and gas fire. Property, as you can see, does need modernising. It's a really good size, make a great purchase for first time buyer looking to do work, or maybe a buy-to-let investor. From the lounge we enter into the kitchen diner. Here we have a range of fitted wall and base units there, space for electric oven, fridge, freezer, looks like a dishwasher there, and space for a washing machine here. And then we have the stairs to the first floor. So here we are on the first floor. We have 2 bedrooms. So the master bedroom is a very good size. As we can see, just like the rest of the property, does need some modernising and work doing to it. But absolutely super sized double room, double glazed window there to the front, shelving unit, etc. there. Back onto the landing. The landing, we've got some loft access, and bedroom 2, where we have recently fitted, it looks very new to be fair, don't have a date for it, but it's a Worcester wall mounted boiler. Good size single room, storage here just over the stairs and with a double glazed window to the rear there. And then we have the bathroom stroke shower room, 3-piece suite, and looking at it, somebody's going to want to change all this, modernise it. But we've got the WC pedestal sink and the shower cubicle just there. Right, let's take a look in the rear yard. So the rear of the property is an enclosed yard, as we can see, with roller shutter garage door there, which provides access if somebody's wishing to park their car. Flagged property. It's a really good property, it does need modernising as we've seen. And if you're looking for any further information or indeed to arrange a viewing, please contact ourselves at Cardwell's Estate Agents on 01204 381 281.